Hi everyone! Did you buy the perfect lightweight pants for hot weather, but they turned out way too long? Thin knit fabrics stretch and shift, making it feel like only a tailor can fix them? Do not rush to spend your money. Today I will show you an easy method that even a beginner can use to hem knit pants. Let's get right into it. First, try the pants on and pin the hem to your desired length. Here's a quick secret for a classic fit. The ideal length for pants is right at the bottom of the heel, right down to the sole of your shoe. With this length, your pants will never look too short and will always look presentable. And by the way, these pants have another common issue. The elastic in the waistband keeps twisting and bunching up. Sounds familiar? Don't worry, we will definitely fix that today too. First, we need to unravel the old hem. Factory-made knit pants are usually hemmed with a cover stitch machine. Look at this simple sewing life hack. No need to spend ages picking at it with a seam ripper. Just find and pull one top thread, draw it right out. Then pull the second top thread. And that is it. The bottom thread on the inside drops out effortlessly. Now make sure to press the unfolded edges with an iron so the fabric is flat and easy to work with. Now for a crucial preparation step. Did you know that most store-bought pants actually have pant legs of different lengths? Yes, it happens all the time. Fold the pants in half, aligning the waistband and the inseams. And look at that. In my case, one leg is indeed longer than the other. Pin both legs together so the fabric does not slip. Find our original length mark. From the edge to the pin, we have 4 centimeters. Draw a line. Measure 2 centimeters for the hem itself and feel free to cut off the excess. Now draw a clear 2 centimeter hemline on both legs. With this guide, everything will turn out perfectly straight. Fold the edge up by 2 centimeters and start basting. And here's another crucial secret from professional tailors. Never make knots on your thread. To secure the thread, simply make 1 backstitch. Why do this? When you pull out the basting thread later, a knot could catch and tear the delicate knit fabric. Without a knot, the thread pulls out easily and safely. We will hem the pants on a regular home sewing machine using a twin needle. I choose a twin needle with wider spacing between the needles. Now here's a clever tip for choosing thread. If you don't have an exact color match, always pick a thread slightly darker than the main fabric. Light thread will stick out like a sore thumb, while darker thread blends in seamlessly. I found an exact match for my fabric. Thread 2 strands through the twin needle on top and use a single strand on the bobbin underneath. We will stitch on the right side of the fabric. Position the inner hem directly between the 2 needles and lower the presser foot. And here's an awesome life hack for a perfectly straight stitch. Are the guidelines on your stitch plate hard to see? Just stick a piece of regular tape at the right distance and align your edge with it. Stitch all the way around, using the tape as your guide. At the end, overlap the seam, snip the starting threads, and make a couple of back stitches to secure it. Wow, just look at this result. On the right side, you get a clean double stitch, and on the inside, a flexible zigzag that secures and finishes the raw edge all at once. But we are not done yet. Remember that waistband elastic that keeps twisting? Let's fix that too. Flatten the elastic inside the waistband and sew a securing line all the way around. .5 millimeters from the top edge. Then give the waistband a good press with the iron, and the elastic is as good as new. Look at that, it turned out simply amazing. The elastic no longer twists, and the pants are hemmed cleanly, evenly, and professionally. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this life hack with your friends. And check out our other tutorials on garment repair and refashioning. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.